Hi, this is Shay with TruxasSales. Here today looking at this 2012 Peterbilt 388 dump truck with a 15-foot Boulder lane dump body from Haul Lane Manufacturing. This is actually the 2019 model. I'm doing things a little bit differently on the 2019 Boulder lane dump body. One of them is the top rail, as well as some parts in the back of the truck as well. We're now having the heavy duty apron standard on the Boulder lane. That's where the pipe, as you can see on this one, is in there. Right there, we got a pipe in the back, just makes it hard to damage. That's now just a standard feature on these Boulder lanes. And you can see this one has the 12-inch apron on it for hot asphalt. Makes it a little easier to when dumping into the paving machines. So that's another option. Normally it's standard with a 7-inch apron here. We got the little trench gate on the back. Have the pintle hitch on this one. Electric tarp, all aluminum rims, got the big def tank on there, 315 tires, upgraded front suspension on this one, got some little extra chrome stuff, the 4 horns on the roof, looks pretty good. Go ahead and jump in the cab here real quick. Aluminum air tank too. So we got the full gauge package on this one here, as well as a navigation screen, locking differentials. So yeah, just fully loaded truck here. Leather on the doors as well. Here's our control panel, the standard one with the mechanical controls, 18 speed in this one. This is Shay with TruxasSales. Thanks for viewing. Please visit our website at www.truxassales for more information. Thank you.